Python. So first, let us see what is indentation. Indentation means a gap, space in Python. For example, I say print hello world, hello world. So and run this, and it's going to print hello world. But just see the same thing I do with giving a gap here, print hi. Now you can see that I cannot run this program because it's an error. You can see that there is a little red thing happen, but let us see and we'll see what is unexpected indent. So unexpected space that we created here. If I remove that space and run the program, it will write print hi. So indentation is very much important in Python. We shouldn't have unnecessary spaces anywhere. But if you are working in a function, then indentation plays a key role there. We will discuss this in the later topics. So indentation is something that we have to be very cautious in while doing the code in Python. And the next topic I would like to cover in here is keywords, reserved keywords. So what are the reserved keywords? Reserved keywords are like and, or, is, print, and those keywords you cannot use anywhere in here, right? If I say print, I cannot use as a and is 1. I cannot use like this, so I'm going to have an error here. So we cannot use a reserved keyword. We can use anything else, like hello equal to 1, then it will run the program. Then print hello. You can run this program without any issues, but you cannot use is equal to 1 and is you cannot use. So these are the reserved keywords for Python. I will give you where can you find out all the list of the reserved keywords. For that you need to import keyword. So this is a module, we can discuss that later. At the moment you just do that, print keyword dot kwlist. If you type in here and run it, there is just invalid syntax. Okay, remove this for this moment and then run it. You'll see all of these are reserved keywords. We should not use them. We should not use them as a variable or anywhere other than